Welcome to another installment of How We Make It. I'm Sean Minster, Project Manager here at GNB, and today we're going to be learning about leak testing. Here at GNB, the most important guarantee we make is that our products are leak tight. But what exactly does that mean? Well, if you were to take 1 milliliter of air, how long would it take you to press that out? If you were to go as slowly as you can, how long could you make that take? Seconds? Minutes? But here at GNB, we guarantee that all our products will have a leak rate no more than it taking 30 years for that 1 milliliter of air to get into any of our products. But how do we do that? Well, we use helium leak detection. So we have a helium leak detector right here, and our system, which is all under vacuum, connected to the leak detector. So we take our helium wand, make sure it's got some helium going through it, and then we spray all our sealing surfaces, welds, or anywhere that could possibly be a leak path. So we check around here, over here, check this connection right here, and leak detector, oh, and there it goes. It jumped up when I started testing this one, and it's still going up. And wow, so that jumped into the -6 scale. What I did was place one single hair across this sealing surface. And by doing that, it created a leak 1,000 times bigger than we guarantee on any of our products. So for some perspective, 1,000 times less than the size of a hair is what we guarantee. And that's the GNB promise.